Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag and stuttering for Clair Obscur Expedition 33 for the PC. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. Okay, let's start up the game and change a couple of settings. So once you're here, go to settings, and the biggest thing you want to change is make sure the display mode is full screen. Not borderless and not windowed borderless, full screen. Now this will make the biggest difference in lag and stuttering in this game. Okay, the next thing, if you're on AMD has a lot of problems with this game, and what you want to do is, I don't have an AMD card so I can't show it to you. But if you do have an AMD card, download AMD Adrenalin software and disable Radeon Chill and Radeon Image Sharpening. These two things lag the game very badly. The next thing you want to do is make sure you disable Reno DX or other reshade mods. These do not play well with the game. They look good, but after a couple of hours they eat RAM and they make your game lag. And there are two more things that you want to change here. The shadow quality should be medium or high if you're on a very high GPU, but try to set it to medium. It doesn't make much of a difference anyway. And post-processing, you want this to be medium or high if you have a good GPU, but these two things make a huge difference in lag and stuttering in this game. And the last thing you want to do is you want to download the engine.ini file and install it into your game directory. So I'm going to put a link into the pinned comment below, but you download it like this. And then once you have downloaded it, it's going to look something like this. And then you want to right click on it and say extract all. Make sure that you actually extract it, or else it will not work properly. Once you have extracted it, you're gonna see something like this. Now what you do in the search bar, you type in run and then you type in local app data sendfall saved config. You can also go there manually if you want, but this is much quicker. And from here, you're gonna see WinGDK. This is gonna be Win64 or something similar if you're on Steam, but if you're an Xbox Game Pass like me, it's gonna be WinGDK. Click on this and you're gonna see an engine.ini file. You might not see it depending on whether or not you have changed the settings within the game. Either way is completely fine. Now you want to take the engine.ini file that you have extracted, move it over and say replace the file in the destination. Now once you have done this, you are not quite finished yet. You want to right click on this, go to properties and make sure that the attributes of this file are read only. If they are not, this will not work. So make sure you have done this step, hit apply, hit OK, and then launch the game as normal. And it should run without lag and stuttering. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice night.